I mean, come on, Ed, it's bullcrap. Don't get me wrong, I love the ladies. I mean, they rev my engine, but they don't belong in the newsroom.
It is Anchorman, not Anchor Lady, and that is a scientific fact.
Uh-huh.
I don't know what we're yelling about!
You're with us, Ron. What do you think?
It's terrible! She has beautiful eyes and her hair smells like cinnamon!
Mm-hmm.
Loud noises!
All right, everyone relax. She's not going to take anyone's airtime.
I read somewhere that their periods attract bears. The bears can smell the menstruation.
Well, that's just great. You hear that, Ed? Bears. Now you're putting the whole station in jeopardy.